All right, next I want to take a look at two inner joins. And what this is doing, this is just like the very first example we looked at where it just takes, it's joining and everything that's matching up between two tables is being shown, but it's throwing in a third table. And it's saying, give me everything. And there's a typo on this screen. This should, in the Venn diagram, it should show table 1, table 2, and table 3, rather than table 1, and table 3. But let's take a look at how that query works. And it's only going to return those people who have a favorite color and have a favorite food. And you can see there's only one person that has both. Beth, her favorite color is yellow and her favorite food is pizza. Now, if we just did the original part without joining to table 3, that would show all the people who had a favorite color. Or if we commented out the inner join to table 2, that would show all the people who had a favorite food, but joining them together, it shows all those people that had a favorite color and had a favorite food, or that matched up across all three tables. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace.